In the winter of 1917, in a deep forest, miners were working hard to find gold. They found gold and started digging more. Then they found a secret road deep underground. Curious about the road, they looked down it and wished for more gold and diamonds. Suddenly they saw many, many diamonds. They exist, disappeared, and they were trapped. They descended slowly into darkness with only torches to light the way. Soon they found a huge cave to live in, but there was nothing to eat or drink and no way to escape. The road had ended. They explored the cave, looking for animals. After 2 hours, they found a plain stone door. They opened it. Inside there was a strange light, and then they woke up in the future back on the surface. Earth was destroyed by natural disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, and hurricanes. The men went out to look for someone to talk to ask about what happened to planet Earth. They found an old grandfather. The grandfather said people threw trash away and global warming came to Earth and many natural disasters came next. The seasons disappeared and soon it was always winter. People left the surface to live under the ocean. They built a city there to keep away from the monsters. Monsters? Is this true? Said the miners. Yes, said the old man sadly. So the miners went to visit the city. The city was deep under the Pacific Ocean. It was in a thick glass bubble. People who visited the city rode submarines in. It was sparkly, shiny, and very clean. The buildings in the city were blue skyscrapers, making them hard to see if you were not very close. There were no plants anywhere, but people ate fish and different kinds of sea plants. Nobody could even remember what rice tastes like. The miner asked people, where is the cave we came from? We want to go home, but the people live in the deep sea, so they didn't know. After a week, the miner went back to talk to the old man. The old man said, work 3 days to north to the mountain and you will find the gold cave. They worked for 3 days and then they found a huge cave. They went inside and saw a mirror. There was bright light and they returned to the past. They were so happy to be back that decided to change the future. They thought about saving resources and invented recycling. They saved the earth.